Vaccination is a highly effective means to prevent life-threatening infectious diseases, specifically in the growing population of older adults. With age, the capacity of the immune system responsible for protecting us against infections decays. This leads to an increased risk of infections with a more severe disease course, but also lower effectiveness of vaccination. To better protect the growing older population, we should improve these vaccinations. In my research group, we study the immune response to viral infections and vaccinations to understand the immune mechanisms involved in protection. Furthermore, we aim to find predictors of vaccination response to allow the identification of individuals in need of alternative vaccination strategies. The results will pave the way for the development of more effective, targeted vaccination strategies for different risk groups to optimally protect the aging population. My name is Debbie van Baarle and I am an immunologist.